Welcome to another installment of Insurance 101. This is a question we get asked all the time. What's the difference between an independent agency or a captive agency? So our agency, Wyatt Insurance, is an independent agency. We don't actually provide the insurance product. We're an agent that goes to multiple insurance companies. You'd have like a Travelers or a Selective Insurance or a Hartford Insurance, and we just select the coverages, but they're the ones that provide the insurance. On the flip side, a captive agency would be a State Farm, a Farm Bureau, a Federated Insurance, Allstate Insurance. They actually provide State Farm insurance. And what's the difference? Well, it's not really a pro or a con or anything like that, or a right way or a wrong way. It's just a totally different business model. So the independent agency works with multiple insurance carriers, multiple insurance companies. And if you wanted to see 2 or 3 different options for your insurance this year, an independent agent could bring you that. They could bring you 3 different proposals, 3 different quotes, as you might call them, and you could kind of sift through what's the best, for you. A captive agent is just going to say, here's our State Farm offering, or here's our Farm Bureau offering. That's all we do. We provide State Farm insurance. And so what's interesting about the independent agent is we're not beholden to any one price or one program or one insurance company. So if you get a renewal one year that's a 25% increase, the independent agent can say, that seems unreasonable. We're going to go to 2 or 3 different insurance companies and see what the market looks like. The captive agent doesn't really have the ability to do that. An independent agent is really just as good, or they may specialize in certain niches, but they only are good at the niches that the insurance carriers they work with are. So for instance, if Travelers Insurance is telling us, hey, we want to write contractors, then the independent agent can go write contractors with Travelers. The captive agents kind of specialize in their lanes. So a State Farm and a Farm Bureau and an Allstate kind of specialize with personal and auto insurance. And a Federated Insurance, they write commercial insurance, and they have their own industries that they kind of specialize in. So a captive agent's going to be a little more restrictive in what kind of insurance they offer, because if they work with one insurance company, they're just going to do the types of businesses or homes that insurance company likes to do. And an independent agent is, say they work with 20 different insurance companies, that's going to really allow them to branch out in what types of businesses or types of homes they could do. So that's really the difference. The independent agent versus the captive agent. Class is dismissed.